Hi, my name is Urban Eve. Welcome to my channel. Actually, my name is Zenzele. Urban Eve is the name of my channel. Welcome to it. If you are a first-time viewer, thank you for clicking on my video. And to those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of my first crimp wave wig. I have seen, or had seen, I think it was like a quick trend for about a couple of weeks, all of the really long crimp wave wigs, and I wasn't crazy about them, but the one that I'm going to be reviewing today is actually one that I feel is my kind of crimp wave wig because it's a wearable length. And I'm talking about the wig Saffira or Saffira by Outre, of course. And she also seems to be the kind of unit that doesn't like fall apart or get puffy and big, or where the waves don't fall apart when you run your fingers through it. This is my assumption based on like one review that I've seen. And I've actually gone ahead and been very practical with my color choice. In fact, I think this might be, I don't want to say the first time because I say that and then I look back at my videos and I'm like, this was not the first time, but this is one of the few times that I purchased a unit in the color 1B. I was tempted to go for other colors, but I was just like, let me try a 1B in this unit. This is a side part unit, which I'm also really not into getting units that are just side part only. But I figured let me try this out simply because I want to see what these crimp waves look like. It claims to have pre-plucked lace parting. It is HD transparent lace, or it claims to be that. It is heat resistant up to 400 degrees. And it comes in a bunch of other colors. And like I said, the name is Saffira or Saffira. I like that name too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out of the box. Actually out of the bag. I wish that Outre wigs, I wish that all wigs just came in boxes, because I went through all of my wigs over the weekend and it was cute and fun at first, but then it was work. It's really difficult storing a lot of units in bags so that they don't fall in an avalanche. So the boxes, the wigs that I have that have come in boxes, I'm so thankful for, and I wish they would just keep doing that, but you know. So this is the unit right here. Ooh, this is very soft. And the crimp wave it's crimpy, but it's not like intensely crimpy. It's more of a loose crimp wave. This is the parting space, which looks quite tight to me. This is the HD lace. It seems like it'll be easy for me to blend with some tinted spray. I like the baby hairs because they are nice and light and not thick. As for the pre-plucking, I don't really think this is pre-plucking. I mean, I feel like what they do, and sometimes they get this better than this. Like, I feel like there's like a little bit of like sparse hair in the front, and then the rest of it is just this thick, hard line of hair. That's not pre-plucking. That's not pre-plucking. And I love you, Outre, but it's not. Like the I mean, maybe there's a little, it's a little sparse. No, that's not pre-plucking. Not really. Not legitimately. Not officially. So the cap construction for this is, I'm sorry, I'm not used to side part wigs. So there's a comb here, and there's a comb on this side. And then the cap is a light breathable mesh cap, not the same as most of the units that I have, where you can put your fingers through it, obviously, as you can see, but it is light and breathable. And then you have the comb in the back and the adjustable straps. Trying to tell from just feeling this cap whether or not I feel it's going to be big head friendly. It seems like an average size. It might be big head friendly. Let's see. So here she is with the lace cut. And it occurs to me that it was pointless for me to even spray this with lace tint spray because you can't even see the lace. I cut my own hair recently, so usually I would have more edges right there, but since I'm like bald over there, there's nothing. So I'm gonna take some powder and just put it in here. Wow, that's a lot. This is a very, very different look for me. I don't really know how I feel about it. I feel like for me it would work if I pull this down a little further. And this, like this, what you're looking at here, this is lace. This is the very edge of it right here. But this right here that you're looking at is lace. So that's lace that really is looking to be pretty transparent. The texture of this hair is pretty silky. There's no yucky texture in this, and yet it's not super shiny, which I like a lot. I am not comfortable with the side part, and I usually, if I'm gonna do a side part, is usually on this side. So the right side part, and also it being an asymmetrical bob and a crimp wave wig, is just a lot. It's a lot for me. But I do think it's very cute. I'm getting a little bit of shedding just from the lace because I cut it pretty close, but there isn't any extra excessive shedding with this unit. I also find it a little irritating having this part sort of like falling in my face. Like yeah, I'm not crazy about that. Plus I feel like maybe it's my top. I don't know. I'm gonna switch to another top and see if that looks a little different. But yeah, I'm not getting any tangling. I'm not getting any shedding. I still really love running my hands through this. It's really nice. The density is very light. I think that adds to the appeal of this unit. I like low density units. And like I said, there's shine to this, but to me, it's not like synthetic-y, wiggy shine. I think it's a very natural shine, and I like that. I even like this. I think I like this side right here. This is my favorite side. This side, I got problems with this side. Maybe if I just had it behind my ear. Oh, that's cute. Okay, that's cute. Wow, that was a very simple and transformative move right there. Yep, yeah, I like it behind my ear. And speaking of behind my ear, the reason I'm able to do that, and it just looks so freaking seamless, like perfect. There's not, like, this is, look at this. This is my hair right here. This is the unit. So the ear tab comes down right here on this side, and it comes down nice and flat. So throwing this over my ear, it just really looks like my own hair. That's cute. I like this. Because this is definitely a very specific style. It's not like you can run out. I mean, you could do whatever you want to do, but this is like not run out to the corner store here. This is very much like, you know, you did a thing, you're going to a place, there's gonna be stuff going on. It's elegant. It is a bit edgy, a bit conservative. So let me step back and give you a 360 of this unit before I come back in a different top and my final thoughts about wig Saffira. different top, and I don't think it changes it that drastically, but it does make me look at it in a slightly different way. Like, I feel like this is very much a glam kind of unit that would look good for an evening out or a date, or, you know, just for editorial Instagram selfies. So I'm just putting some freeze spray on this at the top, especially to tame down the flyaways, because that is definitely one of the cons I'm finding with this unit, and pretty much the only con, really. Everything else about this unit is very cute. Like, this density is really nice. As you can see, the crimp waves stay really nicely. They don't, you know, kind of like, they don't get fluffy and kind of like out of control. They fall really nicely. It moves really nicely. I think that for me, it's just an adjustment. It's just new because of this side part on the right. But I mean, even the asymmetrical cut, this being short here and long here, that doesn't bother me. I think the biggest con for me is really just a personal thing. It's just side parts. I don't really do side parts. The rest of it I like. I even am okay with the fact that this is a 1B. You have not heard me say that I feel like I look like Morticia. Actually, I'm so glad I got 1B, because this wouldn't be happening with any other color. Like, because this is a 1B, it really kind of like melts into my hairline really nicely. And I don't generally wear long-haired units and put the hair behind my ear. Like, I never do that. You never see me do it. I don't actually really like that look on me, but I feel like this is the only way, if I wore this unit, this is the only way I would wear it. And I think I would actually go in right here and spray the freeze spray just to lay this all down flat so that it wouldn't move. But even without like a lot of product, it's actually sitting behind my ear really nice and securely. So I really like that. That is a big pro for me. The other pros, the texture of this unit, the comfortability of the cap. I will say though, I cut my hair recently, like I mentioned, so I have no hair. As little hair as I usually have, like my hair is really low. So that is making this cap like extra comfortable. And she's quite affordable as well. I feel like, and don't quote me, 20s, 30s maybe. I will put the price that I paid in the description box below. But yeah, she was not expensive at all. So I would definitely grab this one if you're into the crimp wave style and you are not opposed to right side part units. So here's another alternative to using hairspray or any other product to keep this side down. Let's just have these little berets. Of course, now you have to kind of like, there you go, hide whatever lace is there, but I cut the lace pretty close, so I don't think you can see that. This is cute. It's starting to be cuter. The more I style it up, the cuter it is. So yeah, that is basically it for my review of this unit. This is the Outre lace part Saffira, and I like this unit. It's cute, it's stylish, it's definitely a glamour moment, and I have no idea where I'll be wearing it because I ain't going nowhere. I think it'd be really cute to see what it looks like in other colors, but I'm pretty sure this is the only color that I'm gonna be getting. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of this unit in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in my next video soon. Bye.